potatoes so far. The same bucket as last summer. Gonna see how tall or big this one's gonna get. Maybe I will have a tree again this year. This year I got some got a potato growing in my compost, and this one tomatoes. I think. I hope. Another potato in the garden this time. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe.